siya. Which, lagi ko naman yung nai-experience, lalo na pag bago yung scrub, bago yung product, meron ako mga breakouts agad. Napaka-arte lang talaga ng skin ko. But I'm still going to continue yung paggamit kasi wala naman akong redness at irritation, hindi naman siya makate. So, gagamitin ko pa din siya. And we will see again next week. Declare ang ating Organica Coffee Scrub baby! Foot spa and body spa with coffee scrub! Organica Coffee Scrub 2 times a week. Pinipili ko lagi ang Sundays and Wednesdays para hindi ko makalimutan. Imagine a coffee aroma inside the bathroom on a Sunday night. Ano pa ba yung mahihiling nyo? And if you can notice, yung mga breakouts ko dati dyan, nag-dry na sila. Ayan, mukhang effective yung anti-inflammatory effect ng ating Organica Coffee Scrub. What I do is just I wet my face. See that? Feel the touch of every coffee grains and its ingredients on your face. Na-learn ko, hindi ko pala dapat na grabbing scrub yung ginawa ko sa first week, kaya siguro nagka-breakout ako. Pero nowadays, yung gusto ko lang yung dyan lang siya, maybe few circular massage on my face. I'll just leave this coffee scrub on my skin. Absorption ng benefits from this Organica Premium Arabica Coffee Scrub. Lalo na pagtulad ko na mga oily skin at acne-prone skin. Ako, ang ganda ng kulay. Sa 500 ml namin, ito pala yung nagbabawas na sobrang dami pa to. So it can last for more weeks. Smelling the coffee aroma and relaxing. Grabe talaga, para akong may cinnamon dito at may kape. Face, tapos yung neck, the hands, and then my feet. Mga relaxing points ng ating body. Yun yung pinakagusto ko so far. So it's a good way to treat ourselves kahit twice a week lang. Super achieve yung spa at home with Organica. Smells good. Ano ba magandang kanta sa coffee shop? Now I'm shaking, drinking cup of coffee. Favorite part ko din is pag nag-rinse off ka na. Andyan pa yung virgin coconut oil sa skin mo. Ayun, I don't have a really good skin. Diba? Oh, diba? Meron parang siyang magic. So double cleansing is really nice for the skin. Ayan. have a bad skin eh. Ang saya. It's time for my warm shower at night and to finish my bedtime routine, and we are going to update you soon.
Organica is here. Smells good. Smell it. Wet your hands first and put coffee scrub. Nice. KaFam, I will scrub my feet too. Ooh, nice. It's so relaxing, KaFam. Coffee scrub time!
When you're having coffee scrub, super messy pagkatapos kasi kailangan mo talagang mag-rinse off well or double cleanse after. Kaya dito na lang kami sa bathroom nagko-coffee scrub para diretsong rinse off and wash and take a bath.
It's better to scrub in the bathroom, KaFam. We love hand bath and foot stand. I like relax stand, KaFam.
With Organica Coffee Scrub!
We love our hands and feet.
Yes, so let's treat them well.
Yes.
For 10 to 15 minutes. Ini-enjoy namin ang quiet time. What do we talk about?
How about singing?
Oh, singing.
Yes.
You want to sing?
Yes, I like singing. I like to sing Rapunzel.
Para po, oh, yun na yung favorite niya ngayon. Her tired feet.
Yes. Don't forget.
I-treat mo yung mga feet para mag-relax sila. From knees, then go down long stroke. Kiwan mo.